Okay, we're gonna go over putting the valve cover back on. Okay, we're gonna go over putting the valve cover back on. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to show you that when you're putting it on, there's a certain way it has to go, where these little bars line up with the gasket, so that's where the oil can flow back down to this end and go to the return tube. So I'm going to put a little bit of Permatex on here just to get it to where it won't fall down on me. What I did was I went ahead and put the bolt for the oil return tube, just to make it a little easier maneuvering it. I have something to grab hold of. I can take this out, and when you're doing this, you gotta replace these little cork gaskets that are round. These are the old ones. They're pretty crispy. And got some new corks that fit right in there. And I'm gonna put that on. And then the oil return also has these little copper washers that you're supposed to put in. And you'll notice that the bar has flat and angled and flat. So make sure you get it on there right. And use those little copper washers. Actually, my dad's, he has a 28 coupe. I think it was on the 28 coupe or his pickup. One end of this bar came unsoldered and the hit, would turn and came off. So he had to resolder the end of it. Wipe off the extra Permatex here. Just enough to squish the cork down a little bit. Coming up in this video, I'm going to put the manifolds on, the intake and exhaust manifold, and I'm working on getting the carburetor cleaned up. Got two Zeniths and then a Marvel Tillotson looking like, but I'm probably going to have to go with the Marvel because the Zeniths are in such rough shape. I'm going to keep working on them and see if I can get them and do a jet kit on them, replace the jets in it, and check all the passages and see if maybe get one good one out of the 2 Zeniths, or just stick with the Marvel. I don't know. But that's coming up in the next video. All right, everybody, take care.